Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving Day. So today, I got invited to a friend's place for Thanksgiving potluck, and so I'm going to be taking my own meal there, like us, just bringing food to the potluck. Yeah, so I'm going to be making jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice with turkey. I also bought some chocolate, so I'm going to be taking it there. And also, yesterday I received a drone. It's the SYMA X500 drone. I received it from a brand, and I want to try it out. This is my first time flying a drone. I've always wanted to, but I didn't get to buy one. And yeah, they sent this to me, and it's meant to be a beginner friendly drone. So after I'm done cooking, I just go try it like out in the sports center in my apartment complex, and I just want to take you guys along with me. We try that, then we cook, we try flying the drone, and then we go for the potluck. So come with me. So guys, food is ready. I just need to pack it up. So guys, because I didn't finish cooking on time, I'm going to go for the event first, or the potluck first, and when I come back I will do the drone video. So let me just show you guys what's looking at. So this is my jollof rice and turkey all packed up, and I'm also taking this. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys.
Happy Thanksgiving. European France. In the US. So I'm by myself, so it's sad. Since COVID, it's difficult to travel, I would say.
No, this is good. This is the You know what I'm thinking of?
Thanksgiving is the one where you pictures, right?
Before, that makes sense.
Makes sense of those taking pictures.
This is what humans do.
Those taking pictures.
Hey guys, so remember I said I was going to do the drone stuff when I come back from my potluck. I'm just getting back. Can you see? It's dark already, so I'll try the drone thing tomorrow again. So but yeah, happy Thanksgiving. It was a wonderful get together. Yeah, I loved the people I met. They were funny, and there was a lot of food. My jollof rice was part of it, and they loved it. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow we'll try the drone, and we can end this. Okay, good morning, guys. So finally going to test out the drone. This is the SYMA X500 drone. Is good for beginners. I've never flown a drone in my life, so I'm going to be trying this out. So it's meant to be beginner friendly, like I said earlier. So let's see how beginner friendly it is. Let me just do a quick unboxing for you guys. So when you open it, I've already opened it before, but it comes with the foldable drone, like I said, and the remote. This drone uses a SD card, but this is too big. You need a mini SD card. And it comes with manuals and some chargers. So yeah. If you've been wanting to try out a drone, then the SYMA X500 foldable drone is a perfect one to start with. It's really beginner friendly, it's compact, you can easily carry anywhere, and you can learn how to fly with it. Like I said, this was my first time flying a drone. I still need to learn a lot. As you can see, what I've seen, I crashed it, but yeah, before you move to more complicated drones, you can easily start with these, and it comes with everything you need. The only thing you need to buy is the memory card, but it's not even necessary because you can record directly to your phone. So yeah, if you want to play around with a drone, try out this SYMA X500. All the details would be in my description box. So guys, I just finished trying out my drone. It's really beginner friendly. Of course, I still went through some problems because this is my very first time of flying a drone. I crashed a couple of times, but the drone is still really good. Nothing's wrong with it. But yeah, if you're first time drone pilot, you don't want to get like the sophisticated drones that if it crashes, that's it. But like this one is a really good one to learn with, to play with, and yeah, if you're not doing like professional videos, as you can see, like the height it went to like just show like the area view. It can go higher, but I was scared. I was actually scared, that's why I didn't go higher, because there's a swamp over there. I don't want my my drone falling in the swamp. So yeah, so that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed my Thanksgiving shenanigans and my drone flying. See you guys in the next video. Bye.